All right, see the dogs, Finn, Sully. Dogs are gonna be going to swim. Here we go, here we go. Look, let me turn this around, hold on. Hold on, Finn, Sully, Sailor. How can I turn this thing around? We won't turn it around. All right, Papa's got this. All right. Papa's getting ready to throw the ball to the dogs. I'm gonna throw it out in the water. Here we go, Mako. Marley, stay. Mako, are you ready to get the ball? Marley, stay. Mako. Get it, Mako. Ow. Get it, Mako. You see the doggy swimming for it? See the doggy swimming for the ball? Go get it, Marley. Get it, Marley. Marley's turn next time. Marley just went and got one. You see the doggy? Doggy swimming to go get the ball in the water. See the doggy? Here's Mako. He got the ball. He's coming back. And Marley's waiting. All right, there's Friday up there. No. There's Joey and Easy E. Trying to get some bait, catch a fish. Just down here taking a break. Saturday afternoon. It's a little windy on the east side of Avalon, so we're on the west side of the Sound, taking the dogs for a little swim. Good boy, Mako. Good boy, Mako. See the doggy swimming? See the doggy, Sully? You think that's Lil's out there, don't you? That's not Lil's. That's Friday. It looks like Lil's. There's Mako. Good boy, Mako. Marley, get the ball. Marley. Get the ball, Marley. Ball. 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 Ball, Marley. Ball. Get the ball. Find it. Find the ball. Find the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh, Marley's having a rough time. He's getting to be an old man like Papa. Bring me the ball. Ball, Marley. See? Joey's fishing. Look. Joey's fishing. See the bobber down there and the bait? Good boy, Marley. Joey, say hi to Sully and Finn.
Hi.
All right, Papa can't use his right arm because he's got tendonitis. He about threw his arm out on that one. I gotta use my left. Friday. Mako. Marley. Get the ball. Get the ball. Watch the doggies. Watch the doggies. See the doggies. You see the doggy swimming? That's the doggy swimming. He's going to get that ball in the water. He's going to get the ball in the water. In the water. Uh-oh. Look, there's another dog swimming. Mako. Is Mako going to get the ball too? And there's Marley swimming. They're swimming. They're swimming in the water. In the water. You see Mako over there? He stole Friday's ball. There's Friday going out to play with him. And there's Marley coming in. And there's JoJo trying to catch a fish. See, dogs are swimming, running around. See all the doggies? See the water. Good boy, Marley. Good boy, Marley. Good boy. Come here, Mako. Come here, Mako. Come.
Where's the other ball? I got one. I just threw it.
All right, and bring me the ball. Hey, Mako. Good boy, Marley. Good boy. Good boy, Marley. Shaking off. Up, drop the ball. All right, Papa's got the ball. Mako, Marley, stay. Stay, Mako. Get it, Mako. Get it. See the doggy jump in the water. You see him? He's swimming, doggy's swimming. See him swimming, Sully boy? Doggy's, come on, little Marley, come on. Good boy, Marley, good boy. Good boy. There's the other doggies. There's the other doggies. See him? And there's Mako out there. Mako just got the ball. He's retrieving. He's retrieving the ball. Any fish, Joey? Any fish?
No, I'm using the first pole ever invented.
That's a cane pole, boy. That's frequently used.
Usually so much weight right in here.
There's bait, boy.
Using a leaf as bait.
You're using a leaf. Joey's using a leaf as bait. They'll peck it.
Look at the pole.
Yeah, it's a cane pole, boy. Hook fin style.
Like if you had a piece of bread, you can make a little dough ball. They work too sometimes.
Little piece of corn.
Yeah.
All right, so I gave you all 7 minutes. 7 minutes of entertainment by Papa Cam. Love y'all, boys. Love you too, Sailor.